Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Ms. Sarah Shibaki again. Welcome back to class. So let's remember what we did last time. Last time we were talking about what? We were talking about rhythms and sounds, and we got to know how many letters of the alphabet? We got to know letters of the alphabets A, B, C. Okay? Oh, there's a D over here. Okay? We also practiced how to use our fingers to write the letters in the air. Okay? So right now, take the paper that's with you or your notebook, hold the pencil, and try to write these letters. Uppercase A. So we go up and then down, then we go across. A. Okay? And also, we went over the letter B, uppercase B. Can you please write it down? Line, half circle, uppercase B. And this over here, what starts with cat? What letter begins with cat? C. This is how we write the letter C. Take a moment to write down these three letters. Write each letter at least 3 times. Okay? A, B, and C. Also, when you walk into class in the morning, what do you say? When we see each other in the morning, what do we say? We say good morning. Okay, so it's in the morning, before 12 o'clock. Good morning. Okay? What about during the afternoon? What do we say? Like after 12. بعد الظهر. What do we say? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay? And then, like later at night, قبل المغرب, بعد المغرب, what do we say? What do we say? When you walk into a room, what do we say? We say, good evening. Good evening. How are you today? Good evening. Okay? And when it's time to sleep, what do we say? I'm sure you know this. You know this. We say, good night. We say, good night. Okay? When you see someone that you haven't seen for a long time, when you meet your friend after summer, what do you say when you finish talking? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Okay? When you meet someone for the first time and you're ready to leave, what do you say? What do you say? You say, pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. We're going to go over this at the very end, so keep that one in mind, okay? So let's begin. Today we're going to talk about words, okay? Unit 1, Lesson 3, words. Again, this is Ms. Sarah Shibaki with you today. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Let's see what we're going to learn today. First of all, as always, we need to always find a quiet place to sit. We need a quiet place to sit, okay? Make sure that you're not hungry. If you're hungry, you're not going to be able to learn, right? So have a notebook to write with and maybe have someone to talk to, okay? Today we're going to learn about the main colors. These colors are red, blue, green, black, white, yellow, brown, okay? And we're also going to read and match. Do you know what matching means? When you match 2 things together, okay? Let me show you an example of how we're going to match. So this over here is a picture of a fox, okay? This is a picture. We're going to match it with what letter? What letter does fox begin with? The letter F. So we match 2 things, a picture and a sound, okay? So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to match pictures and sounds. Again, last time we were talking about greeting others and using words like welcome, hi, and bye. Okay? Let's begin with the colors. What color do you see? بالعربي, what color do you see? اللون الأخضر. In English, we say green. Correct. Green, G. Green, G, R, E, E, N. It would be nice for you to write this down. Come on, grab your books and start writing. The word green is written G, R, E, E, N. Green. This looks like a bunch of green leaves together. Green. What about this one? What's this picture? It's a beautiful sky with the color blue. اللون الأزرق. B-L-U-E. Blue. Correct. Take a moment to write this down. Blue. Ooh. Red. Apple. This looks like an apple, right? R-E-D. Red. Red, juicy apple. Apple. R-E-D. Remember what starts with the letter A? Apple. Correct. This over here looks like ash. What does this look like? Looks like a black coal. فحم. B-L-A-C-K. اللون الأسود. Black. Black. This is the color black. Okay. What do you think this is called? What's this flower called? It's called a sunflower. Sunflower. The sunflower is, what color is this sunflower? Yellow. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. اللون الأصفر. Yellow. Excellent. And this over here, a bunch of flowers. What color do you see? اللون الأبيض is white. Correct. W-H-I-T-E. White. White. Chocolate. What color is this chocolate? Brown. Correct. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. اللون البني. صح. This color here. What is this color? What color are these balloons? Pink. اللون الزهري. Pink. How do we write pink? P-I-N-K. Pink. Pink. What about this one? What do you think this fruit is? What do you think this fruit is? Teen. Figs. Yes, there are a bunch of figs inside a bowl. What color are they? اللون إيش؟ البنفسجي. صح. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Purple. This is another fruit. What's this fruit called? It's an orange. The fruit is orange and it's the color orange. اللون البرتقالي. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Orange. Okay, time to have fun. Wherever you're sitting, stand up, look around. I want you to find objects with the colors that we talked about today. Do you understand? Stand up, look around. Do you find something with the color red? Do you find it? If you don't find it, maybe you can go outside of the room, maybe open the fridge, maybe there's an apple inside. Go ahead and draw something red, okay? Something orange. Can you look around and find something orange? Go ahead, look around and draw a picture of something orange. Okay? What about this one? Yellow. Remember the color yellow, the sunflower? what things can be the color yellow? What do you think what things can be yellow? Green. Maybe a green apple. Find something that you can draw that's colored green. Blue. You can draw the sky. Draw the sky with clouds and the sun for the color blue. Purple. Grapes can be purple. Do you know what grapes are? Al-inab. Some kinds of grapes are purple. You can draw grapes for the color purple. Okay? Brown. Chocolate. Winds. Draw chocolate for brown. Okay? Black. Lots of things can be black, right? Draw something with the color black. Okay, so let's chant. Let's listen and chant, okay? Do you remember what chanting is? We talked previously about chanting, which is repeating words and sentences over and over again, and it makes a certain sound, okay? Ready? Let's begin. Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. Was I too fast? Let's do this one more time. Red and yellow and pink and blue, purple and orange and green. Now say this on your own. Come on. Okay. Red and yellow, pink and blue, purple and orange and green. Okay. So when you meet someone for the first time, what do we say? After we finish talking to them? When we finish talking to them, what do we say? We say, pleasure to meet you. Look at this. Pleasure to meet you. سررت بلقائكم. سررت بلقائكم. Pleasure to meet you. Okay? This is someone you never met before. Okay? But when you meet someone that you know, a friend maybe, that you haven't seen for a while, what do you say? Nice to see you. سعيد بلقائكم. Nice to see you. Okay? Nice to see you. When the day starts and you walk into class in the morning, what do you say to your friends? You say, good morning. Good morning. صباح الخير. Good morning. When it's near noontime, what do we say? بعد الظهر, what do we say? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay? When it gets darker, just a little darker, what do you say? What do you say? You say the first word. I'm sure you can read it. Could you say it? Good. Yes. Good evening. Good evening. مساء الخير. مساء الخير. When the day is over, what do we say? When we go to sleep, what do we say? We say, good night. تصبحون على خير. Good night. Okay? We did this at the very beginning, and now we're going over it again. Okay, let's go over the letters of the alphabet, shall we? What letter do you see in front of you? What letter is this? The letter D. Do you see how the D is written? We draw a line from the top until the bottom, and then we draw half a circle from this side. Letter D. Let's do this together. Okay, let's write the letter D together. This is how we write the letter D. See how this looks like? Let me do this one more time. Okay, letter D. D. D as in, what picture do you see in front of you? Duck. D as in duck. Duck. Okay? Now let's go over this other D. There's another D that looks different. Why does this look different? Why does this D look different? Because it's lower case. Correct. Lowercase d. Let's write the letter let's write the letter D together. This is the letter D. Let's do it one more time. We can draw a circle, and then we can draw a line on top of the circle. And we have the letter D. D is for dog. Dog. Okay? Now the next letter. Let's erase this one. The next letter is the letter E. The letter E. Is this uppercase or lowercase? It's uppercase. Correct. How does it look like? How does it look like? I see a line. Let's draw a line. Draw a line. And then draw another line, starting from here, going this way. And then another line going this way. So we have a line at the top, a line at the bottom, and then we have a line in the middle. Okay, this is the letter. This is the letter E. Okay, this is the letter E. So E is for, what animal do you see? Elephant. E is for elephant. Okay, but remember, this is uppercase or lowercase? This is uppercase. Excellent. What about this? Is this also a letter E? Yes, but it is lowercase e. Lowercase e. Okay? This is how we write lowercase e. Let's do this one more time. You start here, then you go up and you go down like this. This is the letter E. Okay, let's move on. Just as a review, what did we do today? Can you remember what we did today? Yes, colors. We learned about the different colors. We even talked about the letters that each color has, right? We talked about, actually we didn't talk about it, we did it. We chanted today about colors. We sang and we sang. We repeated words and we chanted colors. We also did, do you remember what we did today? Scavenger hunting. Remember when we said that look for something that's red? When you look for something, you're actually, it's kind of like hunting, right? Okay, so this is our class for today. It's been a pleasure teaching you. Have a lovely time. Thank you and goodbye.